everyone, this is your girl Sona coming to you with another video. Today I am in the middle of nowhere. Welcome. We're on our way to the Animal Farm and Nature Reserve. So I'm in the hills of rural Hanover. So guys, I'm going to show you around. Enter the driveway to the Animal Farm and Nature Reserve in rural Hanover. What you will see is motivational quotes along the way. Also the name of trees and plants labeled with colloquial names and their scientific names. It is an unpaved road, smoothly graded down with plants on both sides. And let me not forget this, you will also see a little history about Jamaica on placards along the way as well. So guys, finally we are on the animal farm and we have some beautiful plants. So this is what it looks like. Hello.
So this is our receptionist area and this is our gift shop.
Okay, so
Alright, so let me just formally welcome you to Animal Farm and Nature Reserve. I'll be your tour guide for today. I'm Jamaica. And just remind me of your name again.
Sona.
That's why you said Chang?
Yes,
okay.
I am.
Alright, so we are the home to the infamous Rasta Fall, and that is going to be one of the main animals that sheep and a lot of birds. We'll be doing some feeding as well along the way.
Okay.
You'll be helping me as well. That's okay?
That's okay.
Okay, good. So now you come with me. I'm gonna get the feed and we're just gonna start from that way and we're gonna circle back around, okay?
Okay.
Here at Animal Farm we have a saying, all animals are equal but some are more equal.
Alright, hold on us. So guys, here we have the fowl, and that is the Rasta fowl.
No, these are regular chickens. You'll get to see the rest of them.
Oh, why did I believe that the coloration of the fowl or the fowl with a lot of colors is the Rasta fowl? These we would call it regular common fowl.
These are regular common fowl.
So she's feeding them, and this little fowl over here, what is this?
This is a guinea chick.
Oh, guinea chick.
Yes.
Hold on a second, my people.
To get him to come down.
So we have the guinea pig, guinea chick, and we have common fowl.
Yes.
As you know, back in the days, most people used to raise common fowl and kill them and have them for dinner. The only thing is that because they raised them for such a long time, beyond 6 weeks, you would have to. People didn't have pressure cooker back then. They would have to cook them for a long time. Yes.
So they also lay as well, and we do sell the eggs as well. And so in here we have some ducks. They are mixed species. And as you gonna see the difference between these one and the other ducks, you notice their enclosure is quite open.
Yes.
So they are not going to fly with us. Just like the chickens, you know they can fly but they don't really. So they will stay in the you want to? You can feed them?
So guys, she's feeding the animals and we are going down the little walkway that is paved.
So we're going over to meet Molly the cow and see the pigs.
Molly the cow?
Yes.
That's sounds like a pet animal.
Yes. And I'll tell you more story about Molly when we get there.
I see you have this enclosed place over here.
So these are the other ducks that we have on the farm.
Why do you cover the top? Because I realize
So these one will fly.
Oh,
Yes.
so to make sure that they don't escape, you just
Yes.
have them
Because
in.
these one are in a more enclosed facility.
And you have all kinds of plants all over the place. So guys, if you're a nature lover, you love animals,
And if you love hiking,
and you love hiking,
there is a lot of walking.
right?
So the
You can.
animal farm is about 40 acres, but today we're probably gonna be doing like 5 or so.
So this
So this
is
is Molly.
Helen.
Came to us as a calf, just a couple days old. Unfortunately, her mom passed away. A farmer had her somewhere, I think somewhere back there. There was some electric wire that was exposed, and the mother got hurt.
Oh my God.
Yes, so the farmer wasn't able of caring for such a small calf because his baby, you need to bottle feed them, and it was very time consuming, so he gave Molly to us.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to bottle feed her. If you give her the milk in like a pan, she won't drink it. You have to bottle feed her, so she very spoiled.
Oh.
You want to feed her?
I don't know if I want to take that chance. Those teeth.
It's mainly her tongue. It doesn't really touch my hand. You want to try her now?
Oh Lord. Molly? Strange hands. And she's cautious too, you know.
She's a So she's been in this enclosure. She's never been on the outside.
Mm-hmm. Bye, 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 Molly.
So one of the other key features that makes animal farm so special is that we're so eco-friendly. Yes. So this is our biodigestor system. So this is where we use waste and convert it to gas. So what we
Oh.
have up there is our pig pen.
Mm-hmm.
And when we're cleaning, we don't use any chemical, no soap, nothing. We just wash the poo down, the urine, everything down.
Like with pure water?
Just water.
Oh.
So we hose it down, and it comes down in the inlet tank, where it flows into the biodigestor.
Oh,
that's
this is the
here.
inlet tank.
The inlet tank is there.
Oh, it comes in.
Yes. So we wash it. Everything comes down. It goes into the biodigester. So how this works now, we have everything underground is in a tank.
Right.
So it's sealed. So the pressure forces the gas up,
Mm-hmm.
which we collect in a pipe. It's on the side.
Oh, so the gas comes out
So
here.
the gas comes up, and we collect it in this pipe.
Mm-hmm.
And then the sludge, that's the waste,
Mm-hmm.
it gets pushed up into the overflowing tank.
Oh. I see you have some soil, so what would you use this for?
So this is the sludge, basically the poo.
Mm-hmm.
So what this is the overflow, and then it flows over into the giant bed. It's a bit wet now because we had rain. But normally when it's dry, we use the compost as fertilizer.
Oh, for the plants.
Yes.
Okay.
And the pipe connects to a fridge that was down in the main house, that we use the gas and power the fridge.
Okay. Whoa.
Yeah. And we don't have any JPS up here, so we get electricity from the sun. So we use solar panels as well. So very eco-friendly.
Hence.
And in terms of water as well, the river is right down there. It's a solar pump, and that's where we get our water. So everything eco-friendly.
Wow.
You want to go up and see the pigs?
Sure. Welcome to the prettiest and cleanest pigsty in Jamaica. All animals on this farm are equal, but we are more equal than the others. So guys, if you're planning to come to the animal farm and nature reserve, don't wear slippers like me, wear sneakers. This is the pig pen.
Try to keep everybody some. There are some little piglets over there. You
I
can see
realize.
them.
Yeah. How many pigs you have in there so far?
know, honestly, I'm not sure. I've never really counted before.
Yeah.
This one I like to call it the alpha. It's so big compared to the others.
How old? Are you not sure?
I'm not sure.
Must be wondering, why are you peeping on me? So we have just visited the pig pen and we are now on our next adventure on the farm.
Before we go back over there, we're gonna just go to the left and look at the guinea pigs and rabbits. So I guess they're a bit hot out. There's some at the front.
Oh, rabbits, and
So this is the guinea pig and rabbit enclosure we have.
so they both get along.
Yes, they get along well. And normally they would be loose on the farm, running about, not confined. However, recently we had some issues with stray dogs that were
Oh my.
killing them. So that's why we put them in an enclosure. But if you realize, they have a lot of space, so it's all the way up there. So they have a lot of space, so they don't feel as confined.
Right. They kind of look alike. Only thing that the guinea pig is a smaller version of the.
The rabbits.
Mm-hmm.
So they're just chilling. So we normally feed them vegetables like object, callaloo and stuff, and make sure that they have a lot of water because they do drink water a lot.
Okay.
Alright, so going back. So next we're gonna go into here, and we're gonna walk around. And these are the other types of ducks that we have. These are the mandarin ducks.
Mandarin ducks.
So I wanted to show you the male. So here he is down here. Notice how pretty he is?
That's the male.
Yes. So normally in the animal kingdom, especially for birds, you can tell the male from the female easily. Just look for the prettiest ones.
Okay.
The males are always the prettiest. And so we're gonna go in and take a look at the quails.
Nice.
What are these?
These are salty, black
What are
salty.
Black salty?
Yeah, so it's from this tree.
Yeah, real light, yeah.
What is it used for? Because it's the first I'm seeing it.
Let me read it and tell you.
So guys, you can basically educate yourself.
Yes. So here it is. So this native from Mexico and here in the Caribbean as well. So it's a tomato-like fruit, 5 to 10 centimeter. I'm trying to see if it's edible. So unripened fruit, it is bitter and irritating. So I guess that's why we have it down here. It is used to make a thick drink similar in color and appear to chocolate shaped milk. So I guess the fruit inside is a bit brown. Oh, it's also called a chocolate pudding fruit.
Oh,
Here we have our king quails, and would you believe they are adults? This is
king quail.
yes, this is the biggest they'll get.
Ah, looks like baby chick.
The name is also so ironic because when you think of king you think of big and majestic, and they're just so small and cute. But yes, they are the king quail, and this is their adult stage. They don't get much bigger.
Can you imagine the baby stage?
And these are the regular quails, and here what we do, we harvest their eggs and their meat as well. We sell them to hotels.
So what, they eat eggs?
Yes. So let me see if I can see any in here to show you the size. So this is the biggest they'll get as well. So like 4 of them will give you 1 pound.
4 give you a pound.
And so this is what the eggs look like.
So I wonder how many of those you would have to
Six
crack.
of these and you get 1 chicken leg.
And people really eat those.
Yes, it's like a delicacy.
Oh, delicacy.
And this is somewhere the guinea pig. I was wondering where they are. They're normally all over the place. And they eat all around the place. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come down now.
So we're going to look at the Rastafari.
How long have you guys been here? The farm?
So it's been open since 2000. So around 24 years now.
Oh.
Alright, so these are indigo giants.
Indigo giants.
So you see they're a bit taller than the regular domestic chickens.
Oh. And I realize that you separate them to avoid conflict. Oh.
This is our main famous bird here, the Rastafari or silky chickens. You can tell why we call them the funky Rastafaris just by looking at their hairstyle.
Look like a snowball.
What do I don't know about it?
And here we have the yellow Jamaican boa. It's hot, so he's probably curled up in the corner. Yes, he's all the way over there.
What is that, a snake?
Yes, so the Jamaica yellow boa. It's the largest snake in Jamaica, and don't worry, they're not venomous.
Oh, I was just about to ask that.
None of our snakes are venomous.
I'm trying to get a good shot, but he's curled up in the corner.
Yeah, it's because of the heat, you know, they're cold-blooded.
How long is that snake? Seems very long.
I'm not sure.
You say the head is small and the body is more chunky.
So it is endemic to Jamaica, meaning only found here in Jamaica. And it is sadly on the endangered list because, you know, as Jamaicans, when we fear things, we tend to kill, you know. So they are endangered, and we have this one under the permission of NEPA, so we're allowed to keep him.
Okay.
Over here we have our American crocodile.
American crocodile.
He's down there with some turtles. We're gonna get to see him close up when we go around.
Oh, but you have a little of everything on this farm.
Yes. So we had a bigger one that was around like 7 feet, but he was getting too big for the enclosure. So with NEPA we released him, and then we got a smaller one that we're keeping, you know. So
Okay.
this one's about 1 year old.
What do you feed them on?
So
Just
they all chickens.
oh.
So feed them like 2 to 3 times a month. You don't want to overdo it because then they'll get too big.
Oh, so it's
So
you
the
feed
more
them.
you feed them, the faster they grow.
So if you feed them with meat 2 to 3 times.
A month.
So what do they eat during that space of time?
So they don't eat anything. So it lasts them.
It lasts?
Yes, because of how the digestive system works, it takes a while for them to digest it.
So you're telling me that when a crocodile.
That's why sometimes when they do swallow people and then they find them and they cut them, you can still find parts of the people inside. Yeah.
Very interesting.
So they have like special enzyme and acid in the stomach that cannot break down. Yeah. the more Rastafaris we have.
Mm.
The black ones down there, that's down in the shade, so you can hardly see them.
I like the way how the farm is set up. Everywhere you go, you have trees. So it's not really the animals are not really getting the
Exposed to the sun.
right. And you name all of them. That's good.
So if you go right here, you'll be able to see the crocodile a bit closer.
I didn't know that.
So now you see him with his mouth open, he's trying to regulate his body temperature to kind of match it to the environment. So he's opening his mouth to kind of get the cool air to flow in to help cool him down. Because it's a bit humid.
What about the turtle? So he does not, because there's a little turtle there.
Yeah, I don't see the rest, but they're more in there. He won't eat them. I mean, even if he try, he can't. The shell is very hard, so it protects them. But they coexist. You know.
Well,
I'm gonna get some more
I
food.
thought maybe the crocodile would eat around the clock.
I'm coming.
That's my view. Autograph tree. This leaf is so thick.
Alright, and these are our ringneck pheasants.
What's the name?
Ringneck pheasants.
Ringneck
Yeah.
pheasant or Chinese ringneck pheasant.
Again, can you spot which one is the male?
The ones that are colorful.
Yes. So
With
the
the
ones
red.
around the eyes, yes, those are the males. And up top, if you look up there, there are some baby emus that we had hatched a couple years ago.
Baby eagles.
Emus.
Emus.
Yes.
Baby emus.
So these are cousins to the ostrich, but they're found in Australia. So you're gonna see a adult one when we go down.
Hey, what's up?
These are our chickens. Again, you can tell that the male is different from the female.
The bigger one with the color.
The more colorful head.
Yeah, the more colorful head. Hello.
And then you have the goat and sheep. Okay. You want to feed them?
No, see, goat feed, they're not into the... You give them grass at time or is it just goat feed?
They have hay.
Oh.
Yeah.
And that's a sheep.
Yes, this one is a sheep. And this is just
More of the
more
chicken
chicken
and Rastafari and...
And those chicken down there, we realize they're big. Those are giant chickens. They're bigger than the average chicken.
Right.
Now these are one of my favorites. The black chicken.
Black chicken.
So everything about
With the
them
black-
is black
I,
except the egg.
the skin is black.
Skin is black.
Because I saw a
blood
video.
black, the intestine is black.
Wow.
So the thing is not black is their egg, and the egg is more of a brown color. These are our little chickens. These are the miniature chickens that they normally use in cockfights. So there is that egg. You can see it's brown. Unlike other eggs, they know it be white. That's the
The
only thing
black
about them
chicken.
that's not black. And then over here we have our peacock. We have the normal color one, and then we have the white ones up here.
Yeah. And those are the white ones.
Yeah. They're
And
taking shade.
and that big one over there. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah. So the ones with the colorful tail, the male. As I was saying, the males are always more
Colorful.
beautiful and more colorful than females.
Hello. And of course, I see you have persons cleaning up, ensuring that the farm
Yes, I showed her already.
is well maintained. Yes, I am.
These are our chunk birds. The yellow golden pheasant, and you can tell why they're called the chunk bird. Look at the hairstyle. Who does it remind you of?
I won't say.
Yes, but we all know who. And this is our adult emu.
Oh, that's how tall they. That's the tallest they ever get, or they grow much taller than that.
I think this is around the average height for them.
Is it
like
something that people eat, or they?
I don't know if people eat them, but you know some people will eat anything. I don't think so though. So they, unlike their cousins, the ostrich, they're a bit more friendly and they're more curious. You notice he saw us, well, the female, she saw us here and she came to see who are these people here. So the babies you saw up there, when they get bigger, this is what they look like. So one thing that I've learned about the emus, you can't just tell the sex by looking at them.
Oh.
You have to, when they're small, like those when you have to send the DNA overseas, I think it's a lab in Miami, for them to test.
To find out if they're male or female. So there's no organ indicating that.
So nothing that we can see, you have to do a test.
So I wonder how do they mate? Let me not go there.
I'm not sure. So when Dr. Williams, that's the owner of the farm, you met him earlier. So when he got 3 of the eggs and they hatched, he was like, oh, I got 3. Hopefully there's a boy in there somewhere. Unfortunately, all 3 were girls. So 3, and then there's 2 more over that side.
Okay.
So now we have 4 upstairs. We're gonna send off their DNA for testing, and hopefully we get a boy this time. We normally see that one up here. We normally see those on these flowers. I'm trying to see. And there's a stream up here. So you can go and have a seat. It's cooler under the veranda.
It's cooler, so they'll be more active on the veranda. There's some in front.
I think I'm gonna just have a seat.
Right. And kind of be out of their way, then they'll come.
Right. They tend to feed right around the clock. Look at the view. So guys, I am upstairs viewing the hummingbirds. And guys, you can come and check it out. I think I may have come. I was told that early mornings or late evenings are the best time. Come and visit the farm. You know, it's much cooler. Just remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for always watching and supporting. Bye bye.